Now question number 3. That day we have started. Yes. So here see question number 1. Question number 1 you can see here. In the given, it is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle RP. So see here, first you see here. Suppose this is one triangle and this is the another triangle. Here triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Now here it is given that AB is equal to QR. BC equals to suppose PR and AC equals to PQ. So by triple S congruency, both the triangles will be congruent. By the SSS congruency rule, triangle ABC will be congruent to the triangle PQR. It's clear. But see here, we write in this way and this is also correct. But what is the standard procedure of writing? So if you see here, here corresponding to AB, which side is here? Who can tell? AB के corresponding कौन सी side है? Who can answer? It is RQ. AB के corresponding R. Which side is corresponding to BC? BC
PR.
Now which side is corresponding to AC?
PQ.
PQ.
Now see here, if I ask that इस वर्टेक्स के corresponding वहां कौन सा है, बोलो. A के corresponding वहां कौन सा वर्टेक्स है?
Q.
It is Q. क्यों? Because at A, this line, this single mark line and 3 marks line is meeting. Here this and this are this meeting at Q. Now which point is corresponding to B? So it is R. It is R. It is clear. And which point is corresponding to C?
P.
Here it is P. Corresponding to C, it is this P. You can see here. This is P. It is clear? P is corresponding. So what is the standard way of writing? We write triangle ABC congruent to the triangle QRP. ये ऐसे लिखा जाता है, तरीका ये है. But if you are writing in this way, that is also correct. It is clear. But the standard way is this. और इस तरीके से लिखने में फायदा क्या है? अगर हम पूछे AB के करेस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सी साइड है, तो अब तुम झट से बता दोगे QR है. AB के करेस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सी साइड है? QR है. तुम तुरंत बता दोगे. RQ लिखिए, QR लिखे, दैट इज द सेम थिंग. इट इज क्लियर. अगर हम पूछे BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सी साइड है, तो झट से बता दोगे RP है. BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग RP. AC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग कौन सी है, बोलो. It is QP. AC के corresponding QP है. Have you understood? So standard way में लिखने में advantage ये है. But यहाँ पर हम ये नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि ये standard तरीके से लिखा नहीं गया. So we cannot say that AB is corresponding to PQ. I said AB के corresponding तो क्या है? QR. So prefer to write in this way. Prefer to write in the corresponding letters way. करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्ड सीच के टर्म्स में लिखना चाहिए, so that you can get very easily corresponding parts. It is clear? But if you are writing in this way, that is also correct. Now question number 1 is based on the same. In the book you will find everything to be written in corresponding form, in the standard form. बुक में हमको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में ही लिखा मिलेगा. Now you see here question number 1. It is given triangle ABC correspond congruent to the triangle RPQ. Is it true to say that BC equals to QR? ये पूछ रहे हैं क्या ये करेक्ट है, तो तुम चेक कर लो. BC के करस्पॉन्डिंग है कौन सा, यहाँ पर BC ये है. BC के करस्पॉन्डिंग यहाँ पर क्या है,
PQ. PQ.
it is PQ. It is clear? So you will say no, as corresponding to BC there is PQ. समझ में है ना? नहीं है. Have you understood? Now question number 2. If two sides and an angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and an angle of the another triangle, then the two triangle must be congruent, whether it is correct or not. और करेक्ट नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं है? Two sides and an angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and an angle of the other triangle, whether it is correct or not. Then both the triangles must be congruent. It is not correct, not true, not true. And why? Because the angle must be included angle. Included angle by the pair of sides given equal. Pair of sides given equal. It is clear? Means if this equals to this, this equals to this, this equals to this, whether they are congruent, they will not be congruent. They will not be congruent. Because the included angle is not given equal. So have you understood this thing? Now see here. I am going to do question number 3 and how will you write? ये सबको देखना है किस तरीके से हम लिखेंगे. So I am making the diagram here, you can see. This is A, B, Q, B, C. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, AB is given equal to AC. AB and AC are equal. Then AP and AQ are equal. It is clear? AB is given equal to AC. AP is given equal to AQ. What is given? AB equals to AC and AP equals to AQ. You have to prove triangle APC and triangle AQB congruent. So see here, अगर किसी को दिक्कत होती है इसको इस तरीके से, क्योंकि बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जैसा डायग्राम लग रहा है, so we can split it. हमने अलग अलग बना दिए. ये जो ट्रायंगल AQB है, we have made here AQB, एंड ये वाला जो ट्रायंगल है इसको हमने इधर बना लिया. This is A, B, C. You slightly make bigger diagrams. Now you mark AB equals to AC, this given equals to this. AP equals to AQ, this given equal to this. And you can see here this angle is common in between both the triangles. इन दोनों ट्रायंगल के बीच में ये एंगल क्या है? कॉमन है. Have you understood? Have you understood this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see that this angle is present in this triangle as well as in this triangle. So whether these two triangles will be congruent, and if congruent, then by which congruency?
Sir, by side angle side.
By SAS congruency rule, they will be congruent. It is clear? Now when they are congruent, so first part is proved. Now you have to prove CP equals to BQ. CP यहाँ पर क्या है? ये है. और BQ यहाँ पर क्या है? ये. और तुम देखो ये थर्ड रिमेनिंग साइड्स हैं. Means these are the corresponding sides. Therefore, by CP CTC they will be equal. Then third part is angle APC. Angle APC is which one? This. This is angle APC. This you have to prove AQB means इसके. अब देख लो. APC is enclosed by AP and PC. APC is enclosed by AP and PC. बताओ AP के corresponding यहाँ क्या है? Which side is here? AP के corresponding यहाँ कौन सी side है इस triangle में?
AQ.
AQ.
Q. PC के corresponding कौन सी side है?
BQ.
QB या BQ कुछ भी कहे, BQ, QB कुछ भी कहे. BQ और AQ से कौन सा एंगल बन रहा? ये वाला. तो ये दोनों कैसे हो गए? Corresponding angles. Therefore, by CP CTC they will be congruent because triangles already you have proved congruent. So how will you write that? I am going to tell you by writing. So you will say, you will write in this way: in triangle APC and triangle AQB. It's clear. Now one more thing. यहाँ पर हमने पहले ये ट्रायंगल का नाम लिखा है, तो पहले अब इसके साइड्स और एंगल्स लिखेंगे. इक्वल्स टू इसके साइड्स एंड एंगल्स को शो करेंगे. सो इसकी कौन सी साइड इक्वल है? AC. AC इक्वल्स टू AB. व्हाइट इज क्या रीजन होगा? व्हाट विल बी द रीजन? इट इज गिवन. We will write given. It is clear. Then we will write AP equals to AQ. What will be the region? Given.
Given.
Then we will write the name of this angle in 3 letters. इस एंगल का नाम 3 लेटर में लिखिए. So here it is angle PAC is equal to, we will not write angle A equals to angle A. That way we will not write. Angle PAC equals to angle QAB. What is the region? Who can tell?
Common angle.
Common angles. Very good. Common angles. Therefore, triangle APC is congruent to triangle AQP. Why? By which congruency? SAS axiom of congruency. congruency. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
And yes, when it is congruent, so you can write CP equals to BQ. Here we will write CP CT and angle APC is equal to angle AQP. This is also CP CTC. Have you understood? So this way you will write. This is the way of writing. सबको समझ में आ गया? Now you can see the next question. Now see here. It is P, Q, B, C, and it is A. This is question number 4. You can see. Question number 4. In the adjoining figure, AB equals to AC. AB is given equal to AC. P and Q are the points on BA and CA. P is the point on BA produced. You can see here. P कहां पर है? Point on the BA produced. Q is the point on CA produced. It is clear? Such that AP equals to AQ. AP is given equal to AQ. This equals to this. Have you understood? You have to prove triangle APC. APC कौन सा है? ये वाला है. Congruent to triangle AQB. Here triangle APC congruent prove करना triangle AQB के. Here these two triangles are not overlapping. ये triangles overlap नहीं कर रहे हैं जैसे कि previous question में कर रहे थे. Here they are separately separate. So how will you prove congruent? See here, this given equals to this. This given equal to this. Now what will be the relation between these two angles?
Vertically opposite angles.
Vertical opposite angles. And therefore both the triangles are congruent by which congruency?
SAS.
By
SAS.
SAS congruency. By SAS congruency. So how will you write? In triangle APC and triangle AQB, we will write AC equals to AP. What is the region? AC equals to AP.
Given.
Given. It is given. इसको कहते हैं स्टेटमेंट और इसको कहते हैं रीजन. स्टेटमेंट रीजन पैटर्न में लिखना. AP equals to AQ. This is also given. Angle PAC is equal to angle QAB. Here you will write vertical opposite angle. इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं VOA. Vertical opposite angle. Therefore triangle APC is congruent to the triangle AQB. By which congruency? SAS congruence. By SAS congruency, they are congruent. Now you have to find CP equals to BQ. You can see here what is the third side here in this triangle. Triangle APC की third side कौन सी है? It is CP. And here in this triangle it is BQ. So CP equals to BQ by CPCTC. Then you have to prove ACP. ACP this. ये किससे मिलकर बना है? ये और ये. इसके corresponding यहाँ पर ये है. Corresponding to AC, there is the side AB. Corresponding to CP, there is the side BQ. Which angle is here? This. So this angle ACP equals to angle ABQ. This is also CPCT. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see here the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. B. In the adjoining figure, AD equals to BC. AD equals to BC. And BD equals to AC. BD is given equal to AC. You have to prove angle ADB equals to angle BCA. And second part, angle DAB equals to angle CBA. This you have to prove. अब देख लो, अगर हम देखें एंगल ADB, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन विच ट्रायंगल? ये एंगल किस ट्रायंगल का एंगल है? Who can tell?
Triangle ADB.
ट्रायंगल ABD. अच्छा, ये एंगल किस ट्रायंगल का एंगल है?
Triangle ABD. Triangle AD.
Same triangle. It is clear. Similarly, these two angles are part of this triangle ABC. Part of this triangle ABC. So what will you do? You will prove ABD congruent to the triangle ABC. Triangle ABD को ABC के congruent prove करेंगे. So you can see here, in between these two triangle, एक triangle तुम्हारा ये है, हम इसको बना रहे हैं, एक triangle ये है, and another triangle is this. इनके बीच में already क्या दिया है? This equals to this and this equals to this. If you see third side, it is common in both the triangles. Third side is present in both the triangles. It's clear? Whether it is clear or not? अगर हम देखें थर्ड साइड क्या है? This is A, B, D, and this is A, B, C. This equals to this given, this equals to this, and this is common in between both the triangles. So by which congruency they are congruent? By which congruency? S congruency. And when they are congruent, then by CP/CTC, these two are equal. So I am not writing this one. Have you understood this? Bole.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 6.
5 उड़ गई माइनस
This is A, B, C. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equals to BC. This given equals to this. And angle DAB, you can see here DAB, this angle is equal to angle CBA, means this. You have to prove triangle ABD congruent to the triangle BAC. यहाँ तो हमको ट्रायंगल ABD और ट्रायंगल BAC को congruent prove करना. What will you do? Since these two triangles are overlapping, तुम इनको अलग अलग करके देखो. ये वाला हमने इधर कर लिया, ने ऐसे बना लिया है, समझ सकते हो. This is which triangle? Triangle ABD. And दूसरा वाला हमने यहाँ बना लिया. And this is, this I am naming here with this. This is A, this point is A, this is B, and this is C. Now what is given equal here? You can see this is given equal to this. This angle is given equal to this. इतना दिया है और इनको congruent प्रूव करना है. Is there any other thing is also given equal?
Sir, AB common.
AB क्या हो गया? Common हो गया. AB क्या हो गया? Common हो गया. जब common हो गया तो by which congruency they will become congruent? By which congruency? SAS. SAS. It is clear. And when they are congruent, so you can see here, what is the third side here? इस triangle में third side कौन सी है? दिखाई दे रहा है BD. ये हमने ले लिया, ये ले लिया, तो बची कौन सी? ये बची, यही तो वाली तो बची, तो BD. यहाँ थर्ड साइड कौन सी बची? AC. BD equals to AC. It is clear? By CP/CT. Then angle ABD. Angle ABD. You can see here angle ABD is this. Now here this is included by these two sides, AB and BD. AB के corresponding AB, BD के corresponding AC. So which angle? This. these two angles will be equal by which property?
CPCT.
By CPCT. So you can write this. I am not writing. It is clear? Now see here, question number 7.
Sir, we have
Also
a class of
very simple. And all of you write down these questions in your notebook.
Sir, we have class of chemistry at 11:50.
Sir,
Yes. At what time? 11:15. So I am ending.
No, sir. 11:55.
Class is at what time? Who can?
sir, 11:15.
Hmm?
11:15.
हमको अटेंडेंस ले लेने दो फिर तुम लोग, नहीं तो तुम्हारी अटेंडेंस भी नहीं होगी। जूम क्लास 40 मिनट की होती ना तो पता नहीं चलता। ऑल ऑफ यू वेट।